Hey everyone, this is Jajim and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another unboxing video. So this is not just a simple unboxing, but that is something you guys are really gonna love it. And let's start this unboxing without wasting any time. Okay, wait, I think you guys have forgot something. Okay, I will tell you. You guys have forgot to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and even share with your friends and family. And even please give your precious feedback and your suggestions, your recommendations in the comment section, so I'll make my videos more and more better in future. So let's start this unboxing video. So here's the box, and I know you guys already read the title of this video, and you guys have an idea what actually I'm going to unbox today. So that's the box here, and the first thing you can see is the branding here, and this is actually a Baseus smartphone holder with mount for your bicycle and for your motorbike. So that's the whole box, and on this side we have some key features mentioned here, like quad lock, easy to detach. That is my big concern about that purchase of this mount. And here's a mechanical switch, 360 adjustment, auto lock system, silica gel pad. Okay, that actually will help you a lot to grip properly on your handlebar of your bike or your bicycle. Okay, on the back we have some sort of information also available here. Here's the model number, which is SUQX01. So that's a model number, and on this side not much information here. So okay, that's the whole box we have. So okay, let's start its unboxing. Well, actually I have already opened it because I was so curious to know about what is actually inside this box, because as you know, the online purchase is always risky. So you need a lot of patience if you are purchase something for the first time from internet. So here is the unboxing. Okay, just look at the box. It looks so premium, even the overall package. Okay, it's another instruction book here. Okay, it's just a simple page, but it might be helpful. So okay, this is the just look at the box. It looks so premium at all. Okay, let's open it, and here we have the first thing you can see. Here is the main grip or main holder for your smartphone, and it actually feels so premium. Just look at the okay, here's the okay, these are the grips, and which actually adjustable as per your smartphone size, and it's so easy to do. Put your phone here. So that's the second part which you have in this box, is the main mount, which actually grip on your handlebar, and it's so easy to attach or detach on your bike, on your motorcycle, on your bicycle. So the main concern is how it easily be attached or detached here by just a single click, just like this. And even if you are not using it, just push it from here, and here we go. Now you will take this thing anywhere with you. It's so easy. So overall it feels so premium, and especially the branding over there, Baseus is definitely, it's so amazing. And as we know, Baseus is the very renowned brand and renowned company which actually have a variety of even huge range of products available in the market related to the smartphones accessories. So this is actually a really cool thing here. So actually your phone, I might say that your phone will be safe, completely safe while even you are going for the off-road, or even you're doing a daily, even you have a daily commute all across the town. So you don't need to worry about your phone that it will not go down anywhere. So that's amazing thing. And at last, I think if we talk about this price, so it actually cost me around 2500 rupees. And this is my first purchase from Daraz. I purchased it actually from Daraz, and I've searched a lot on internet because I need something that actually that practically works for me. There's a lot of products available on the internet in very minimum prices, like it may start from 400 500 rupees and further, like 1000 1500, but this is something that really actually attract me. So this is the whole purchased experience of mine, and that's all what I'm trying to show you, what I'm trying to share with you. My whole purchase experience, it actually get delivered in around 15 to 20 days, and overall it's going to be a very good experience, and I'll definitely go for more on the Daraz. So overall, that's all for today unboxing video, and hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.